GoPro announced their new Hero 7 Black Edition on September 20th. They're showing a couple new features, but the big feature is Hypersmooth. The CEO, Nick Woodman, says,
"This is the gimbal killer. This thing captures the best stabilized video of any camera ever."
I love my Rylo, but if this is true, I might be interested in using the Hero 7 for my rides. I primarily use the Rylo for mountain biking for the stabilization. I don't believe the Hero 7 is going to be able to match Rylo's stabilization, but it appears to be pretty impressive from this very short clip from Casey Neistat's video. Competition is good. If the Hero 7 stabilization is really as good as they make it sound, it could push Rylo to get a second generation camera out soon. The Hero 7 is capable of recording 4K at 60 frames per second. Rylo is currently only able to export 1080p at 30 frames per second. I don't want to get too much into Rylo versus GoPro just yet. I'm going to try and get my hands on the Hero 7 when it releases and make a comparison video, if it ever stops raining here. Let me know what you think about the new camera. Are you going to get one? Or are you just going to wait and see what others think first? I've linked to the camera in the description if you're interested in pre-ordering one now. Hopefully I'll have a comparison video in the next couple weeks. Thanks for watching.